Hi, I'm Mark with Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace the lid corner clip on your trunk. To get started, we're going to loosen these two screws on the trim bracket of the trunk. This trim bracket puts pressure on the lid corner clip, which holds the corner clip in place. So we're just going to loosen the trim bracket about halfway. And we'll go ahead and open the trunk back up. You should be able to remove the corner clip by hand. If it's a little tight, you can either loosen the screws a little bit more or take a flathead screwdriver and pry it off. Once that's removed, all you need to do is replace it with the new corner clip we sent you, and then retighten the two screws on your trim bracket. And now your lid corner clip has been replaced.